What's up guys, Fernand Raymond. In this video, I'm actually getting pumped up because I want to talk about what do you do when you have a mental stuck and you don't want to write, you don't want to do a video, you don't want to produce, you don't want to do something. Maybe you don't want to go to the gym. What you should be doing is exactly doing it. However, it's not easy, I know that, right? Because when the body is not to the thing. So that's why routines and the patterns are really helpful. No matter what you feel, you just gotta like make sure you're doing that one. I made sure, like even yesterday, I felt like I don't want to do videos. I don't have some topics to talk about in the videos. I've already done two amazing videos for CeekaHost. And then once I do that, I'm already in the best state of to do more videos and the stuff and all. So if anybody's telling I'm stuck, I don't feel like doing a video, I can't write, I don't know how to build a brand. Guys, like you need to do that one. I was doing this for first video, I think back in 2014 when I was doing SEO outsourcing. I decided to do it anyway. You just have to do that one. If your brain is saying no, you don't have to do it, do it. And once you do it, you're going to feel it amazing. That's one reason I go to the gym and I work out. I do a physical activity plus running. Already done my running and the yoga in the morning. And most days I don't feel like doing it. It's easy to not to do that, right? It's easy to not to do that and just like sit down and think like you're doing the work that you're doing. And anyway, you can do the stuff and all. You can condition your brain to not to do that, or else you can train your brain and make it eventually to be autopilot. You're like, I do it anyway, I go for it and I do that one. So this is how you get good at it. Even my art of storytelling, like doing videos, how I actually get good at it. I look back at things after a year, and after a year I'll evaluate things. Even the writing, when I want to first get written, I started writing. My writing wasn't really good, and I wrote and I built a business. I managed to hire editors to edit my stuff, and I wrote some books, and I can write anytime. I can just come up with a topic and I can go about writing 1,000 words easy under 20 minutes. You think you are stuck, you can't write, you can't build a blog, you can't do a video, you can't build your brand. Guys, like you can do anything in life. You get good at by doing it. Brain want to just like do the bare minimum at just to get by, even to have the best things in life. I'm gonna go deep into those topics about like have the most amazing things, to have the most amazing life, the experiences to travel, to see. It takes massive effort. It takes money to make the money to support this life, and also to acquire something amazing that you can feel tremendously awesome. You need to break through from your laziness, and that's how you try to get something that you really want. Best thing you need to do, first thing in the morning, straight away jump out and go outside and start moving fast. Ideally, run. Do a run, guys, like the state change. If I try to do the videos before even I did my run and my yoga and the exercises, I'm not going to be this amazingly feeling. The entire body is like dignified right now. And when I do podcasts, you can see the spirit in when I do the podcast and CeekaHost channel, you can see the podcast me and James is doing. When you change your state, you can use that to do anything. Like once you get that first video out, I'm just going on. Today I'm recording 10 videos about real economics, and course will go up on CeekaHost University. You can have a look as well and check that out. Courses are free, pretty much learning everything about the basics to advanced stuff about becoming a digital nomad in the real economy, and what are the fundamentals of digital economics and the principle that you really need to learn soon as possible. It's in your head. You can do it if you feel a value of it. And a lot of things that you're hesitant to do, once you do it, it's only going to be good. You only regret in life if you don't do. Some things I do it to make sure I do not leave regrets, because I know if I don't do it, I'll leave like, what if I did it? How if I would have done it? I do it anyway. Even myself backs me. I know there's inner calling, but a lot of things that I do are like, it's end of the day, once you do it, you're like, I'm like, did it. Like even some of the things, like I might ask why I did it, but I'm like, I'm happy the fact that I did it and I got the experience of doing it. But make sure you do it, you're smart about it. You got to be analytical about it, all those things, right? You're a smart person, and you're not going to go and jump from a balcony without a parachute. However, if things that you have in a gut feeling that you know that's going to be good, that's the thing that you need to do, you need to do it. So if you get that habit, and eventually your body gets trained, and your mind is like, body supports the mind to take the action, and then again mind supports the body to make it ease, and then you kind of start liking it. You can have all the other skills. However, if you're really good at writing and articulating your message and doing videos and get even in front of you have a very high advantage if you can get in front of people in a video. I tell my message to you. You say, I want to offer my service, I want to get my brand out into front of you. More that I do, I can see my flow happens. When I do several videos, my flow gets to start. The same thing in life. When you move, when you run, your flow starts happening. Running is a good thing. Try to run every day and do it for 21 days and see your body's feeling. And some yoga, add them up. Write down 1,000 words. Come up with a topic in your industry, your niche that you want to do or about you. Start a blog and put this up. Write 1,000 words. Record a video to your camera and see. And if you don't have somebody to edit it, just like initially raw produce it. There are a lot of tools and the stuff you can produce it, but eventually you will grow to have editors and the people who can support to execution to be much faster. That's my message to you. There is no reason if you're getting stuck. You just need to take massive action and put a little bit push. Get that ignition to jump from the fence, because on the other side of the fence, it's the good life. I'll see you again in the next video. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button, guys. I want to actually hear a comment from you. So a question, what you think, why you getting stuck? Be back.